3 stations. Sled, sled. Okay, it's going to be heavy sled work. We start heavy, strength. Then we go into power. And then we go into strength again. And then we go into power. We're alternating. This is called contrast training. Okay, so what happens when we lift heavy? The brain says, I need to produce massive amounts of force. Then when you go into power work, your brain's still trying to produce that amount of force. So now we can do that a lot faster. Okay, so we're tricking or hacking the system to be able to generate more force output. All right, so strength-based work, power-based work, strength-based work, power-based work. Strength work is going to consist of sleds. Today we're going sled drag, walking backwards. Power-based work, we're going to work on slams. Okay, and then our strength work is going to be a carry, offset carry, single arm, working on midline stability. Then we're going to go into some rotational power. All right, any questions on that? So it's going to be 2 sleds, 3 sleds maybe. Okay, 1, 2, you'll set up the TRX like so. Okay, TRXs are in the box, I'll show you guys that in a moment. Okay, to set that up, I just feed that through. Feed that through. Loop it, back on itself. All right, now I'm loaded. Now I can put the weights on. Okay, obviously 2 sleds, one will be on this side of the track, one will be on this side of the track. When we're walking, let's make sure we're wary of the other sled. It's not running into each other. Okay, if you guys are all working together, one person does the sled, as soon as they're finished, they go on to the next exercise. Next person gets on the sled. You're just rotating through. Okay, the least amount of equipment we need to get out, the better, the easier it is for us. All right, sled walks. Lean back. Walk it out. Okay, if that's too light, Nina, jump on. My partner can jump on, go for a ride. Alright, thinking about my posture. Look at my arms, guys. My arms aren't bent. Wasting a lot of energy here. Okay, my arms are like cables. They're just holding on. My back, boom, is what does the work. Alright, locking out, stabilizing through my upper body. Dynamic through the lower body. Any questions on sled work? 20 meters, guys. Walk it out to the end, then on to the next station. Next station is going to be our slams. All right, let's get up high, tall, small. I want to get my whole body involved. Let's go 8 reps there for the slam. Okay, if I'm not accelerating, I'm decelerating. If I'm releasing here, I'm not producing force for as far as I can. That's like throwing here and not finishing, following through. All right, follow through, accelerate as far as you can. Questions on that? All right, next one is going to be my suitcase carry. Actually, let's turn this into a rack carry. Rack carry. Swing it up. In this position, elbows protecting the ribs, hand by the chin. Lock it out, stabilize, we're working through that midsection. Boom. Nice and tight. Okay, I'm not like this. Out one side, back other side. Any questions on strength work for the carries? Then I go on to my power-based work. Rotational power. I said, I can either be in my fight stance or I can stand perpendicular to the wall. Power comes off this back foot. Boom. Drive that foot into the ground. Reduce force. Transfer force. Poof. Apply force. All right, there's going to be 8 reps here as well. 4 on each side. A couple of different ways to do this. You can set. You can drop. Boom. Boom. All right, do whichever one works best for you. Just make sure when you throw, we're in a balanced position. Common mistake I see with fighters is they overextend. If my partner moves back, I can't now cover that distance because I'm too heavy on that front leg. Boom, partner moves back, I'm balanced. My center of gravity is here. I can shift again. So let's make sure we're in a good position to finish. So we can roll, we can slip, we can move, we can follow up. Any questions on that? Any questions on the structure? All right, once you finish, guys, it should take about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Rest about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Go again. Let's aim for 4 to 5 rounds here. Okay, make adjustments to it. If you've got a heavy training week, you want to back it off, just do 3 sets. Okay, if you're getting back into the swing of things, you're only doing single training sessions, maybe you want to do 5 sets. Okay, once you feel like you've got the work done, you're happy with that, call it there. More is not better, better is better. High quality work. Any questions? All right, let's rock and roll, guys.